Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths effectively, step by step. First, focus on building a strong foundation by understanding each concept deeply. Don't rush through topics. Ensure you grasp the why behind every formula and method. This initial clarity is crucial for tackling complex problems later on. Consistent effort from the beginning will make your learning journey much smoother and more rewarding. Once you've understood a concept, immediate practice is key. Start with basic problems to solidify your understanding, then gradually move to more challenging ones. Aim to solve a good number of problems, perhaps 25 to 30, for each topic. This helps in applying the concepts in various scenarios and builds your problem-solving speed. Remember, consistent practice is the backbone of mathematical proficiency. When solving problems, try to work through them independently before checking solutions. This develops critical thinking. Keep an error log where you note down mistakes and the correct approaches. Reviewing this log is invaluable. Regular revision, perhaps dedicating 1/4 of your study time to older topics, ensures that concepts remain fresh. This systematic approach prevents forgetting and strengthens your overall grasp. Effective time management is vital. Allocate specific slots for math study, perhaps 90 minutes daily, and stick to them. Break down complex topics into smaller, digestible chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Maintain a positive mindset. Mathematics can be challenging, but persistence pays off. Don't hesitate to ask for help when you're genuinely stuck, as clarifying doubts promptly is crucial for continuous progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.